Hi, welcome back to the channel. I saw this question and I want to share it with you, my audience. The question wants us to solve for x in this equation, but bear in mind that A and B are matrices. That's matrix A and we have matrix B. But first and foremost, let's solve this equation for x. 3x minus 2a is equals to A plus 4b. Now I have to move 2a to the other side, so I'll add 2a to both sides. Becomes 2a minus a plus 2a is equals to a plus 2a plus 4b. So that minus 2a plus a becomes 0. That means I have 3x plus 0. But this 0 matrix adding to 3x obviously will still become 3x. But this is equal to 3a plus 4b. For procedurial sake, I am just leaving this 0 here. Now, 0 plus 3x, that's 3x, is equal to 3a plus 4b. Let's divide both sides by 3. I'll divide this side also by by 3 by 3. So that x invariably will be the same thing as 1 all over 3 into 3a plus 4b. Now, because we're actually interacting with matrices, I want to leave it this way first, then treat the matrices. Now, I've simply rewritten the matrices for clarity's sake and the value of x. Now, the first thing I want us to treat is to solve for 3a and 4b. My 3a plus 4b will be the same thing as 3 into A, that's 417205. Now plus 4 into matrix B, 065338. Now so that will be the same thing as 3 times 4, that's 12. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1 here, that's 3. 3 times 7, that's 21. 21. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 here is 15. Plus 4 times 0, that's 0. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 again. 4 times 8, that's 32. Now, so we can now add them. When adding, it's cumulative. So we'll pick each item, item in row 1 and column 1 will be added to the item in row 1 and column 1 of B. Row 2, column 1 of A will go to row 2, column 1 of B. Now, so that my addition now becomes 12 plus 0, that's 12. 3 plus 24, that's 27. 21 plus 20, that's 41. 6 plus 12, that's 18. 0 plus 12, that's 12. And finally, 15 plus 32, that's 47. Now remember that I have, this is 3a plus 4b. But my x now is the same thing as 1 over 3 into 3a plus 4b. That means I'll multiply what I have here by 1 over 3 into 12, 18, 24, 41, 12, and here is 47. Obviously, some examiners will even like it to leave it this way, but some will want it to go a step further, and there's no harm in going a step further. 1 over 3 times 12, that's 4. 1 over 3 times 18, that's 6. 1 over 3 times 24, that's 8. 1 over 3 times 12 again, that's 4. 1 over 3 times 41, I can leave that as 41 over 3 because it's an improper fraction. And 1 over 3, 47 over 1 over 3. 47 over 3, that will be 47 over 3. So you can just leave your answer this way. With this, I hope you understand how I went through this solution. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.